like them. Jamming on the beat. It serves me out and then make like them.
Hi guys. Hey, if you're new here, I'm Deb. And if you're returning, thank you. And I'm here today with ice cream for September. And now, isn't that such a cute box? Anyhow, when you open it up, it looks like this, except for it has a bunch of peanuts in it. There's biodegradable peanuts. Well, I get them all over my house. So I went ahead and took the peanuts out, but I haven't looked at any of the products. Because I just picked it up in the mailbox. And my little friendly jog to the post office. Now, you always get this. And it tells you what's in them. And I will use it for reference because... Okay. First thing I'm pulling out is Sorch Glow Light. And it looks like that. And we'll just see. I'm kind of on a time crunch today. My friend needs to ride to the auto parts store on his lunch break. And of course I can't open it. Okay. Here we go. Jeez. Okay, now I got it. Maybe. There it goes. And that's what the inside actually looks like. My nose itches. Okay. And that's the actual product. And that's, I don't know if you can see it or not. See it there? Let me do it this way on the back of my hand. See? Now when you blend it out, it becomes a little bit more, less in your face. And that is valued at $15. Can't see. Okay, and then the next thing is Gerard Cosmetics, and it looks like that. Let's see, what is it? No, this is $22, and it's Clean Canvas Eyeshadow Base. And this is just so you get the true color, if you know. And it's just an eyeshadow, basically an eyeshadow primer, and it's rather, that's what it looks like. But it basically turns your eyelids to white, so you have a primer base to get the true color. I don't know if I showed you this. This is, and that shows you how much is actually in it. But, you know, when it comes to your eyes, you really don't need much. The same thing with eye creams and things. So there's that. And that was $22 value. And what is this one? This is Duochrome Sparkle Shadow, and it's by Chantico Beauty, and it's $19. It looks like this. Let's see if you can see it. See, it's right there. I'll do it on the back side too, because sometimes I have trouble showing them on the back side. That's why, if it's, so there's that. And that's a lot prettier in person. It's more like a violet in person. Yeah, it's more of a violet. Yeah, that's not true to it at all. But it's like a pink, it's a pinkish violet color. And that was $19. And then I have this. And this is Galactic Matte Liquid Lipstick from Zeesea Cosmetics, and it's $28 value. If you're not familiar with this box, it's $25 a month, and that includes shipping. And you get 5 to 7 full-size items, and you're guaranteed to get a palette. Now, they also have a bag, which is, I believe, still $12.50, and then I think you pay $3 shipping, I think. And with that, you're guaranteed 3 to 5 items, and you also get a palette. So, well, that's cute. Cute packaging. Yeah, it's Interstellar Discovery Velvet Lip Cream. It's got a little Saturn on it. So that's cute. So this is one of the... Oh, and that comes off. Interesting. But this is one of your better bargain makeup things. You know, it's always worth your money. Even the palette's worth that. This is an odd doe foot. Look at that doe foot. You see it? How odd it is? It's got like a swerve back and... That's not the true color because I have a... This is the true color. Right there. And that would be right there. Because I have other lipstick on, but it did need toned down. My lipstick needed toned down anyway. So it kind of looked like Mimi Bobek today. But that's okay. And this was $25. And then the last thing we get is Secret Grove Gourmande Girls Ice Cream Society, or Ice Cream Beauty Society. I don't know what the heck. This is the outer case. This is the inner case, which is the same. And these are your colors. And it does have a mirror, which I never really care about, but there you go. Now I'll swatch some of these. Ooh, that one's pretty. I really didn't expect that. I'm going to go up top because I'm running out of space because it's been too far apart. Now I'm going to do that one twice. And then we got this one. And lastly, we got this one. And those are all the colors. This one's gorgeous. This one's absolutely gorgeous. And I like this one too. Those are all the colors. Yeah, with my little plastic sheet. I would like to keep my plastic sheet on there to protect it. Oh, goodness. And that is valued at $30. So just the palette paid for itself. You get, it's basically you get all the extras free. So, yes, please. Now, I was getting both the bag and the box, but I'll be honest with you, I live here alone, and I do have granddaughters, but they're, you know, not local, so it tends to add up. So I just canceled the bag and started getting the box because, well, you get more items in the box, and it's a little, you know, it's a little more expensive, but not enough to make, you know, so that's why I did that. But anyhow, that's the Eyescream Beauty for September 2023. We do all kinds of unboxings on this channel. We do subscription boxes. We do bins hauls. We do FabFitFun. We do mystery boxes, Temu, all kinds of things. So, hey, if you like what you see, come on back. Join us. Bye.